Abebembezi b'ekitongole kya Uganda Vocational and Technical Examination Board okugamba babali ahitendesho lya APC okusibura abegigana kinana bwanyuma y'okuhendera emishomo yabo.
And congratulate all those persons whose names have been read and they have obtained a first class certificate in the various programs. We take great pride in your accomplishment and are especially pleased to honor the 180 graduates who have received certificates in business and technical stroke vocational studies.
Achievers Professional College eyiwanfunire certificate. Kora jireke wabara kugiteka mamani yagwa no izaka bano sanko mwana efuzi.
Bishop witwa Western Kore na jato yumushija hurire. Oguno mushija hurire mutero mungara. Echechu watunga ni chango mnonga. Wati kwataje chini hahango au chiri kwisya. Kanga ruche nsime Abazaire bitu abarunji.
Really, you made a very good decision to bring your children here for practice, for practical education. Kandi na numujinya ogu ba directors na ba staff bine to make a follow-up of getting employment for your children.
Abazaire achievers n'ishomero rito abatatandike ku 2015 twine myaka 8 konka netuturra aha speed eyayirigiri aha bwenshonga icyo twiha yo kushomesa abana emyoga kandi abana kuba kugura
achievers nimwe leaders ba tomorrow harumba ministers babyamya muri abantu bamani munonga
yaba kwata mungaro. Success through professionalism, innovation, integrity and teamwork. Ebito bagambire nibingi. You are not just graduates of Achievers Professional College, you are ambassadors of this institution.
Congratulations students. Your day you're shining.
Abahendera emishomo yabo bashabwe kugira emitwe batagaye emirimo kandi bahinde emibiri yabo. Omugandi twaza hari Mbarara City Secondary School Abazaire bashabwe kwateraho abana babo okwetegereza enshomesansia ningashe niyo karekera mu kubahwera kwika.
Nutugeza kugira ngo umwana wo mwojo nawe amanye ngo ko ari kitanda okweyera nango no kweyera mu byigo amanye ngo kino mugasho nyensi yo magarage tumuhwero kukura ari omuntu wo mugasho omu society
wiza yishomero no byerebera physically abana mbateka cakes mbateka donuts mbateka za badias nebindi munongo za musaruni abana nabakoma amashoke agastyle zone
ebituru kukora nutusaba Abazaire kutwataraho omukwegesa abana emitwe okushashura ebicwere by'isomero omubwire abana bakareka okuzengera kandi na nokutwasa omumicwe charity begins at home emitwe netandikira enyumsharo
yashomere saruni mugure bishoke umwana yashomere weaving mugure huzi umwana yashomere bekale mugure ngano na buto akwere ebintu byashomere kwa kujya tinkozire inshomere charani muto hara charana kwereke cyashomere kugira ngo nimane muza kureba accountability ya sente zimukuthereza kandi nitwe tuweyongere kugira ngo atleast umwana ko kushohora hero community ne basa kureba ikintu kituro ntukora Mbarara City Secondary School.
Abazaire kugamba ebi babano boreka ebyabeji bari kubasa kukora n'emikono yabo. Omugandi abeji binabyo na mukaga hari Mbarara Institute for Social Development bahendire emishomo yabo mu mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe kandi bashabire okutoma nkore bashomesibwe.
Our dear graduates, go out there and be good ambassadors as students of MISID have always been.
Shogu obokusima Abazaire abasize kwera abana aba school fees kandi lizoba bakabasa okugraduatinga.
Ruben Elia Mbarara umuhwezi wa komishona w'okureebuza omutindo gw'Obwegyese omu Burengero Rw'Izooba nibo bari omujanye mukuru kandi asimira abazaire ah'okushomesa abaana baabo.
Congratulations, graduates, you have been equipped with brains, mindset and skills necessary to make you thrive in an ever-changing world.
Bibire bigumire byanguhi bwende kare ibintu bizabuza koko kucumanya. And basically I'm reaching it in a certificate and I'm going to be a diploma because it has been a good school for me. The option of course will tangu for I really thank God. Congratulations to me and everyone.
Kasha kwa senyo mo Gideon na Aiden Bataringaya.